Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to make sugar wax using two basic ingredients, which are your lemons and your sugar. So if you want to see how I make my sugar wax and how I use it to shave rather than using normal basic shaving stick, keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be using lemons and we're using sugar to make the sugar wax. If you don't have lemons, you can go ahead and opt for vinegar, lime juice or orange juice. The essence is just for the acidity, which serves as a preservative and also to make sure it doesn't turn into candy. But know one thing, if you overcook it, it's still going to turn into candy. So you can see me here, I am literally taking my time to squeeze and press the lemon. There are different types of lemon. I don't know, this is the kind of lemon I have in my country. I've seen some people, make use of yellow kind of lemons, whichever one, just, make use of the one you have. So I'm literally rinsing it to make sure, it doesn't have any dirt whatever. Even if it's not dirty, I'm just rinsing it for rinsing sake because we Africans love to rinse everything. So you cut the lemons and you try to juice it out. You can see how juicy it is because that's why I actually squeeze it that hard to make it very very easy to get the juice out of it. Because if you go straight ahead cutting the lemon, it might be quite a little bit harder unless you have a juicer. So this is what my lemon is. I made use of 3 lemons. It all depends on the quantity. I literally eyeballed most of this, but roughly I used 3 medium-sized lemons and 250 grams of sugar. So that's it. I just literally squeezed everything. And please make sure you use a sieve. Don't be like me because you might end up having seeds inside. So let's go straight to the cooking part. So making sugar wax is actually not that difficult. You just add your sugar, your lemon juice, and then water. I use 2 cups of water, and then you just go ahead to stir. Some people will be like, "Do you need to use distilled water or ionized water or what?" I use tap water. Like, just go ahead and it's not something I'm eating, so it's something I'm using under my armpits. So I don't care the kind of water I use. So the main thing in making this sugar wax is you have to be patient enough to stir. You keep on stirring, keep on stirring. I don't remove the spoon, I just keep it there because anywhere you transfer the spoon to, it's going to transfer the sugar wax. So I use very, very low heat, like the lowest heat, and I keep on stirring and stirring until it starts, going golden brown, changing color to show it's actually turning into a wax. And try to not use so much water because you're going to wait and wait, but don't use too little water. Just try and be on the average. And I keep on turning until it turns to this kind of color, like this golden brown kind of color. But don't just stop there and be like, oh voila, that we've done it yet. Still test. I always drop it in something like this and wait for it to cool down to check and see how it is. While doing this, please make sure you turned off the one on the stove so it doesn't keep on boiling. You turn it off and wait. As this is waiting, that is waiting. And I checked, and yes, this is what you actually want it to be like. One thing you should put into consideration for sugar waxing is if you're in a very hot temperature or a very cold temperature, like your environment is hot or cold, you have to consider that because it's going to react while you're waxing. So this is okay, but if I start waxing, everywhere is kind of hot. It is going to start melting because it's sugar. But if you're in a very, very cold region, it's okay. But for me, I just put it on back for like few seconds, less than a minute or so, just to make sure I get a little bit together because of that reason. So try and error actually gives you the best results. Even if you do it the first time and you don't get it, try it again. And if you keep on doing it, you even keep on getting better. So my wax is ready. Time to wax. So this is my armpit. If you have so much hair, like your hair grew out so much and it's so long, try cutting it first with a scissors because it's going to be more painful like that if you just wax like that. Make sure you wash your armpits, and I use this powder to kind of dust it out to create some kind of friction, adhesion, to make sure that the wax stays fine and nice. And for a beginner, try doing it in sections. Apply the wax in the direction of your hair growth and then pull out in the opposite direction. So that's something you have to find out yourself, where your hair goes, how it falls, and then apply it in that direction, then yank it out. So, and also, if you begin, you need to start in sections. You don't just go on once and just do it once. Just start in little bit by bit section, and then you keep on going, and voila, this is what it is. I just massage it just to calm, the pain. Is wax painful? Yes, but with time, you get used to it actually, and it's weird, but I kind of like the pain. It makes you shout and like, ooh, I don't know. It's just painful, but weird kind of pain. It's not painful, excruciating kind of pain. And this is what it is. You can see the hair on the wax, and then I'm done with this armpit also. And I make sure I just go in, wash and clean my armpit to remove any remnants. And then I do this because I don't apply deodorant. You're not supposed to, because your skin there is very very tender and can easily react, or anything applied there, perfume, don't apply perfume there. So the best option is just to use baby powder or any kind of powder at all, and that is it. Like literally, that is it. Just apply the powder and face feels smooth and clean, and it lasts long. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave it down in the comment section. Follow me on all social media platforms at Tina Olise on Facebook, TikTok, and make sure to check out my other videos. I still remain your girl Tina Olise, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.